fashionista, welcome to Encoder Fashion. I'm Rose. Today I'm excited to share with you 3 important things about Reflect tool in Adobe Illustrators. Number 1. Where is the Reflect tool? So you are in the Adobe Illustrator workspace. Come to the left hand side here where the Reflect tool is located in the toolbar. If you click on this tiny looking thing here, and the rotate tool is the reflect tool. So you click on it. Now we're ready to use this reflect tool. Number 2. How do we use the reflect tool? I am going to show you how to use the reflect tool by drawing a heart. Okay? So again, go to the pen tool, click on this line right here, and when you come right here, you just kind of drag down a little bit to give like a smooth curve, and then you click right here. Make sure you press escape or enter to stop the path. Now we just draw one side of the heart. I'm going to use the black arrow tool, marquee selected. You can go to reflect tool again, or you hit O. Letter O is shortcut for reflect tool. O, and here you get a reflect tool right here. So press down Alt and then click on this center line. Okay, and now look at this. This is the preview mode. You see right here, this is preview. You click on the preview, it shows you where the heart, where the other side that we're gonna reflect to. Okay, we want vertical 90 degree and then select copy. Now we have a full heart, and yet we're not finished though. We have to marquee select both. Again, go to black arrow tool, marquee select both shape, and then right click, join. Okay, and then join for the second time. Join for the first time was the top join, and then for the second time is the bottom joins. All right. Number 3. What do we use the reflect tool for? We use this reflect tool for draw a fashion flat as well as fashion projects. For this example, I'm going to draw a top. Again, go to pen tool, click here and here and here, then come down here. And again, make sure to press escape or enter to stop the path. I like my object to have no fill, so you can hit slap or come here, right here to click on the no fill icon, and then it's also give you no fill. I want to curve like the armhole a little bit and also the waist for the top to anchor point tool, and I like to bring my tool out here. Click on the anchor point tool and we just want to curve a little bit. Again, the clothes that lay on a body kind of curve, like a smooth curve, okay? So now again, go to black arrow tool, marquee selected. A shortcut key for reflect tool is O. Okay, click on O, press down Alt, and click on the center. And here, since the last time we used, okay, vertical 90 degree, that's what we want, and click on the preview mode to see how the tool behave, and then click copy. There you go. Again, go to the selection tool, or we call it black arrow, marquee select both, right click, join, then join twice. Okay, now this is the fun part. So we want the neck kind of curve a little bit as well as the hem of the top. Again, anchor point tool, move down a little bit, and then it's so much fun. You use this tool to draw any fashion. And that's how you use the reflect tool. Please like and subscribe. I love to grow and connect with you in our community. Thank you for watching Design Mister. I'm Rose, and you can design anything.